In this video, we will learn how to sign in Whatsboost and connect your WhatsApp. So you have to use your email ID and password. When you log in, you will get this kind of dashboard. Okay, it will be a new dashboard. It will show you how many devices are connected. Okay, how many contacts are there, how many messages are there, how many templates are there. As you want to connect your device, you have to go to My Devices and click on Add New. If you need to connect your normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business app, you can select Whatsboost API and put in the device name as My Office and click on Create Device. After that, it will generate a QR code. You have to scan it from your WhatsApp app. Once you scan it, you have to keep it. Your device should be open. Your WhatsApp app should be open. You just close it down, and in the chat, it will show you My Office device name. Okay, and then it will load all the chats and everything here. When you click on here, it will load all the messages slowly, right? It will take some time, so you have to keep it open. Your WhatsApp app should be open for at least a minute to get it all synced, and that's how you connect device in Whatsboost.